As a business owner, there are a lot of questions about QuickBooks Online. I remember when I first transitioned into QuickBooks Online from another accounting software, I had so many questions. And one of those is, how can I help my clients pay for invoices on my website? So in this video, I'm going to walk through the steps on how to set that up so it can be a default option and they're not going to be paying credit card through QuickBooks or have to figure out the ACH payment. So the first thing I do is I'm in my QuickBooks dashboard or one of the places, and I'm going to go up here to settings, click on this little icon and go to account and settings. Then I'm going to go over here to the left. I'm going to click on sales. And there's a lot of information here. So I'm going to scroll down. First thing is invoice payments. You can see here I have accept credit cards, that's off. Accept ACH, that's on. Accept PayPal, I turned off. And this is a new setting as of the date of this video where it says your customers can pay the fees. That's for ACH. I've left that on, but I don't even know for sure how that works. But what I can do here is click on this little icon, and then I can go down here and I put this little message. For your convenience, you can make payments online here. I put a link to the payment option on my website. And then I also put a little asterisk, hey, convenience fee of 3.5% for online or CC payments is applicable. And then I save that. That's going to show up on the actual invoice, like in a bottom corner of the invoice. The next place we want to put it that is even more important is when we go down here to messages. And I'm going to click edit here. This is when a client gets an invoice from you, it's going to go to their email and it's got like a default setting. It says dear and their full name. It's an invoice. It has like the title up here in the subject line. And then this is the message. So I updated this, thanks for your business with us. Here's the invoice, and that's going to show the invoice. And then I have here, if you'd like to make a payment online, you can do so here with the link right in the email. And then I put, again, the asterisk, convenience fee for online payments is applicable. I'll add that. And then thanks for your business with me. And then I have it copying myself. And then I go down here and make sure I save. That will make it easy for your clients to pay for their invoices on your website and not have to figure out the ACH and not have to pay with the credit card via QuickBooks, which those credit card fees vary depending on what kind of card they use, where with Stripe or other merchant accounts, those are generally more of a flat fee. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and hope this video was helpful.